Hey, this is Neil with Now Property Investments. Quick backstory to this house right here. We came to the home and the homeowner actually wanted us to purchase it, but we came inside and the home was up to date, didn't need much repair. So we said, hey, what we can do is we have a great group of realtors that we work with. Sorry, there's gnats everywhere out here. We have a great group of realtors that we work with, and we can actually list this home to help you get the market value or a little bit less than that if we can. So this house right here behind me, as you see, will be on the market tomorrow, and it'll probably be sold in the next couple of weeks or so. So check us out. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com. We're all about giving homeowners options. If we can't purchase it ourselves, we will make sure that it gets sold one way or another. So yeah, go check us out, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. One last thing. Go ahead and like and subscribe below to help other homeowners just like yourself learn how to navigate through this crazy real estate market.